Hello friends, it's time to learn to strum the ukulele. We're going to learn 3 different ways to strum the ukulele so that you can sound like this. There are probably as many ways to strum the ukulele as there are songs for the ukulele, meaning you can do it a lot of different ways. Also make sure that your ukulele is in tune. I have a tutorial for that right here. And if you're a complete beginner to the ukulele, check out this series right here. The first way that I recommend is probably the way that most people start, is by using your thumb like this. Strumming with your thumb is probably the most intuitive way of strumming just because it's the most user-friendly. To strum the ukulele with your thumb, you can secure your hand down here like this. Just start strumming down, strum all the strings like this. You kind of have to drag your thumb down a little bit. You have to have enough pressure to get through the string so that you don't get kind of stuck. So you gotta put a little force into it, some muscle. If you want it to sound a little bit nicer, you can play a C major chord. C major is when we play the 3rd fret on the bottom string. Something that you want to watch out for is that you don't want to be holding the ukulele up with your hands like this. It's really difficult to improve your technique if you're holding the instrument. That's why the strap is so important, because it frees up your hands to move. So there are 2 directions that you can strum. You can strum down and you can strum up. If you want to strum up, you're not going to be able to hold the ukulele or support it down here. You're going to have to move freely. Strumming up with your thumb is kind of awkward, and that's why I recommend to move on from this method of strumming as soon as possible. But if you want to practice it a while, you can do this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If this video is helpful for you, I'd appreciate it if you give me a like and a subscribe. The second way to strum the ukulele is what I call pretend you're holding a pick. You pretend you're holding a pick between your pointer finger and thumb like this. And when you strum down, you use the back of your pointer fingernail. Still doing that C major chord here. And if you go up, you're gonna flick your wrist up and strum the strings with the back of your thumbnail. Try this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. In my opinion, this method is better than just using your thumb. A little more advanced version of this is to have your fingers slightly separated, almost like you're making the letter C, so that your fingers aren't touching anymore, just like this. But you're gonna do the same thing with your fingers when you strum down and up. So if I strum down, I'll use my pointer finger. If I strum up, I'll use my thumb like this. You can go pretty fast like that too. Faster! The third way to strum the ukulele is to use a guitar pick. When you hold a guitar pick, you're gonna hold it between your pointer finger and thumb with the pointy part pointing at the ukulele. You can also hold it with your pointer, middle, and thumb if you want. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So be down, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You want the pick to lightly glide over the strings. Which type of pick you use is a hot topic of discussion. Some people say to use a felt ukulele pick. Other people will just say use whatever. There are so many different kinds of picks available. I recommend to get a bunch of different kinds, thicknesses, material, and see what works best for you. But in case you're wondering, what I have today is a Fender medium pick. One thing you want to watch out for though when you're using a pick is to not let it hit the body of the ukulele. Like when you're strumming down, you don't want it to glide over and then hit the body down here. Now, if you want to improve your strumming skills even more, make sure to watch this video next.